Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we dive into smart, practical strategies to master the English language, boost your confidence, and take your communication skills to the next level. Today's topic is a game changer. We're talking about how to speak English fluently and without making mistakes. Yes, you heard that right. You can speak English smoothly, clearly, and confidently, without freezing up, without feeling nervous, and without overthinking every little grammar rule. In this video, I'm not just giving you random tips. I'm going to walk you through a complete system, a method you can start using right away to build real fluency that lasts. So grab a pen, get ready to take some notes, and by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to train yourself to speak English naturally and fearlessly every single day. Let's jump in and get started. Part 1. What does fluency really mean? Let's begin with a simple but powerful question. What does fluency really mean? Most people believe that being fluent in English means speaking it perfectly, no grammar mistakes, no hesitation, no slip-ups. But let me tell you right now, that's a myth. Fluency isn't about perfection. Real fluency is about speaking smoothly, thinking directly in English, expressing your ideas clearly and confidently, and being able to recover quickly when you do make a mistake. Because yes, even native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. The difference is, fluent speakers don't freeze or panic when they stumble. They keep going, comfortably, naturally, and without fear. So if you've been chasing perfection, it's time to shift your focus. Your real goal is not to speak flawless English. Your goal is to communicate effectively, to connect with people, and to build the confidence to express yourself freely. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Let's keep going. Part 2. The 4-system method to speak fluently without mistakes. We're not here for random hacks or tricks. We're using a smart, structured method that actually trains your brain to think and speak in English naturally. This is a proven framework built on 4 powerful systems, and when you apply them consistently, fluency becomes inevitable. System 1. The input system. Get English. And let's start with this simple truth. You can't speak what you haven't heard. That's why your first focus must be input, high-quality daily input through listening and reading. Flood your brain with real English. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, TED Talks, anything you enjoy. But do it every single day. Even when you're cooking, walking, or commuting, let English play in the background. But don't stop there. Read out loud, too. Use storybooks, blog posts, or English subtitles, and read them like you're telling a story, not like you're reading a textbook. This helps you internalize pronunciation, rhythm, and natural sentence flow. And here's a powerful technique. Shadowing. Choose a video clip, maybe from a movie like The Pursuit of Happiness, and repeat each sentence immediately after the speaker, matching their tone, emotion, and pace exactly. Just 15 minutes a day of this can do wonders for your accent, fluency, and confidence. System 2. The output system. Speak more, fear less. Now it's your turn to speak, because if input is the fuel, output is the engine. The only way to speak fluently is to actually speak every single day. Start by talking to yourself in English. Record yourself speaking. Join English conversation groups online. Use chatbots or AI tools to practice. You can even talk to me. A great daily habit is the mirror technique. Each morning, stand in front of a mirror and speak for just 3 minutes about anything. No script, no pressure, just flow. Start with simple phrases like, "Today I feel," "Yesterday I saw," "This weekend I will." The more you speak out loud, the faster your brain builds speaking fluency. And your fear of making mistakes will start to fade. System 3. Error reduction. Fix mistakes. The smart way. Let's be honest. Everyone makes mistakes. But the difference between average learners and fluent speakers is how they handle them. Smart learners fix mistakes with intention. Start a simple mistake journal. Every time you notice a mistake, write it down. Then write the correct version next to it. For example, "She go to school every day." "She goes to school every day." It's simple, but powerful. Seeing your own patterns helps you rewire your brain. Also, use helpful tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to check your writing. And whenever you're in a speaking group or working with a tutor, ask for feedback. The goal isn't to eliminate all errors overnight, just aim to fix 1 or 2 mistakes each day. That's how true long-term learning happens. System 4. The confidence system. Speak boldly. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is your mindset. So many learners tell themselves, "My English is bad." Stop doing that. Replace it with, "I'm improving every day," because you are. Use filler phrases to stay fluent when your brain needs a second to think. Native speakers do this all the time. When you get stuck, try saying, "Let me think about that." "That's a really good question." "Well, in my opinion." These phrases keep the conversation flowing and give you space to organize your thoughts. Also, take a moment each day to visualize success. Picture yourself confidently delivering a speech, acing that job interview, or laughing with a friend in English. Feel it. See it. Then speak it into existence. Want to train this confidence? Try 1-minute speeches every day. Choose a topic, anything you enjoy, and speak about it out loud for 1 minute. This daily practice builds both fluency and courage at the same time. Part 3. Power techniques to supercharge fluency. Now let's take things to the next level with a few power techniques that will supercharge your fluency and fast-track your results. These are bonus drills, but trust me, they're powerful. And fun, too. The first technique is called the 3-2-1 speaking drill. Here's how it works. Pick any topic, maybe your favorite movie, your weekend plans, or your dream job, and speak about it for 3 minutes. Then, do it again in 2 minutes. Finally, summarize everything in just 1 minute. This exercise sharpens your thinking, builds your clarity, and helps you structure your thoughts quickly. It's one of the fastest ways to train your brain to speak smoothly under pressure. The second technique is to talk to AI or chatbots. Yes, use tools like ChatGPT to simulate real conversations. You can practice job interviews, role-play everyday situations, or just chat about a topic you enjoy. You'll get instant grammar corrections, helpful suggestions, and there's no pressure, no fear of being judged. It's like having your own English tutor available 24/7. The third technique is imitation training. Choose one short English scene each day. It could be from a sitcom like Friends, The Office, or even beginner-friendly shows like Peppa Pig. News channels like BBC or CNN are great for more formal styles. Watch the scene, then imitate every line with the same emotion, attitude, and rhythm. This isn't just about copying words. It's about copying delivery. You're learning how real English sounds and feels. Now, how do you put all this together? Let me give you a simple but powerful daily fluency plan that takes just 30 minutes a day. Start with 10 minutes of listening and shadowing a native speaker, maybe from a TED Talk or your favorite show. Then spend 5 minutes reading a short article aloud. After that, speak for 5 minutes about any topic, your day, your goals, or something that excites you. Next, write for 5 minutes, a paragraph, a journal entry, and use a tool like Grammarly or ChatGPT to correct it. Finally, spend 5 minutes reviewing your mistake journal. That's it. Just 30 focused minutes a day. Do this consistently for 30 days and I promise you'll be shocked at your progress. And now, a real talk about mistakes. This is important, so listen closely. Mistakes are not the enemy. In fact, they're the proof that you're trying. Every single time you make a mistake and correct it, your brain is building new, stronger connections. So please, don't fear mistakes. The only mistake you should fear is not speaking at all. Speak out loud every day. Talk in front of a mirror, record a voice message, chat with a friend, or speak to your phone. Just get the words out. Fluency isn't magic. It's not a talent you're born with. It's a skill. And skills are built with practice and action. And that's it, my friends. You now have the complete fluency system. Everything you need to speak English naturally, confidently, and without fear. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video packed with strategies to level up your English. And hey, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to speaking English? I read every single comment and I always try to reply. This is your journey, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Remember this. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The only difference? They kept going. You've already started. Don't stop now. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next one.